Let's all painting trick with a spatula. This simple trick will make working with a hammer faster and more accurate. This handyman makes a stencil to imitate brickwork. Turns out that an ordinary plastic bottle is quite a handy tool for removing dents. Another reason not to throw away plastic bottles, they can come in handy for making a setup like this. Sometimes you can't do without creativity at a construction site either. For example, take a look at this way of securing the pipe. Here's an intriguing twist to give a plastic bottle a second life. You'll unbelieve how it's being repurposed. Is there anything you can't accomplish with zip ties? On the screens is a great option for creating concealed fasteners. How to carefully open a bag of cement, the answer is already on the screen. Take a look at this unconventional solution glue used as dowel. Here's a tip on how to speed up working with Scotch tape and without scissors. In order to remove a stuck self-tapping screw, use another self-tapping screw. Unfortunately, this trick won't work if the key is made of non-magnetic material. Coming up next is a homemade wire stripper. Moving on to a welding tip, consider using a magnetic ground clamp. Sometimes a key from a random lock can be as handy as a spanner wrench or a ring spanner. Zip Tom is a saving the day again. They're replacing dowel clamps. This piece of wood with a mark will help level a suspended ceiling. If your car battery is dead and you don't have a mobile staff or on hand, it's time to improvise by assembling a homemade device using 2 spoons and a drill battery. No more tangled wires, thanks to the hack from this pro. Even a boring sauce like cleaning a walkway can be approached creatively. For those who enjoy woodworking and using various tools, an ordinary iron can be quite useful. Just get a rope reel and you can go about your business. Check out this plumbing trick. All you need is some lighter. Next up is some wiring work. If you've lost the spray paint can cap, there is a solution. Finishing touches are also being diligently carried out using 2 self-tapping screws and a rubber band. Is a step on how to quickly fix the door of your home. You don't have a roller with a long handle. Don't worry, the floor scrubber will do the trick. When dealing with tricky and awkward holes for bolts, wire can be of assistance. Sharpeners, clothespins, and utility knives. People can make wire strippers out of anything. We continue our fight against stubborn self-tapping screws. If you need a tiny screwdriver, can you guess how a piece of wood and 2 self-tapping screws would help in this situation? To prevent cracks in the woods, you can fry the self-tapping screw before you start working with it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you found something helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more videos like this one. We'll see you in the next video.